So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full review of a tool called AI Hosting. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, what it does, what's inside, and whether it's actually worth buying. So if you're thinking about getting this, just stick around till the end and I will cover everything you need to know. So basically, AI Hosting is a web hosting platform, but it's not like the regular hosting you are probably used to. The main thing that makes it stand out is that you only pay once. That's it. One single payment and you get lifetime access to host as many websites and domains as you want. No monthly fees, no yearly renewals, no surprise bills. You just pay once and you are good to go forever. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, okay, I have heard something like this before. But here is what actually makes AI hosting different from everything else out there. There is real AI working behind the scenes on your behalf. So things like turning your server speed, managing your bandwidth, keeping your sites protected, all of that is being handled automatically by the AI. You don't have to set anything up, you don't have to understand any technical stuff, and you definitely don't need to be a developer or a server expert. The AI just takes care of it all so you can focus on your actual business. So when you first log in, the very first thing you will notice is how clean and simple everything looks. It doesn't feel like one of those old school hosting control panels that gives you a headache just looking at it. Everything is laid out nicely and it's very easy to find what you need. You can also switch between light mode and dark mode depending on what you prefer. Small thing, but it's a nice touch. Now, let me take you through what's actually inside this dashboard and what each section does. So the first thing you will see is the website section. This is where all your sites live. And the best part is there is no limit on how many sites you can add. Whether you are running one website or 50, you can host them all here without any extra charges. You just choose what kind of site you want to set up, like WordPress, Laravel, or a simple HTML page. Connect your domain, turn on SSL, and your site is up and running. It really is that easy. And while all that is happening, the AI is quietly working in the background, making sure everything stays first. It's handling things like your server speed, your resource usage, your bandwidth, all automatically. So if your website suddenly gets a lot of visitors at once, you don't have to worry about it going down or slowing up. The AI takes care of it without you doing anything. Next up is the database section. If you are running a WordPress site, an online store, a SaaS product, or any kind of web application, you will need a database, right? And setting one up here is really straightforward. You just type in a name, create a user, set a password, and connect it to your app. That's all there is to it. Then there is the email section. This is where you can create professional email addresses using your own domain name. So instead of sending emails from a Gmail or Yahoo address, you can have something like your name at the rate yourbusiness.com, which looks a lot more professional. Setting it up takes about 10 seconds. Pick your domain, choose a username, set a password, and you are done. Moving on, there is a DNS management section where you can manage all your domain settings. You can add a new domains, create subdomains, update records, and connect your domain to different services. It all happens through a very simple interface, so you don't need any technical knowledge to do it. Now, every website you host on AI hosting automatically gets a free SSL certificate. That's the little padlock you see in the browser bar that tells your visitors your site is safe. It also helps with your Google rankings, so it's not just a security thing, it actually matters for your traffic too. Speaking of security, AI hosting has a full security system built right in. It's constantly scanning your sites for malware, running a firewall, protecting against DDoS attacks, and detecting any threats automatically. So your sites are protected 24 into 7 without you needing to install any extra plugins or pay for separate security tool. There is also an automatic backup system that saves your entire website every single day. And if anything ever goes wrong, even if your site completely breaks, you can restore everything back to normal with just one click. If you have ever lost a website before, you know how much that kind of safety net is on. Then there is the app installer, which lets you install over 100 different web applications with a single click. So if you want to get WordPress running on a domain, you don't need to do any manual setup. You just click install and it handles everything for you. There is also a website template library and an AI website builder. So if you want to get a site live quickly without designing anything from scratch, you can just pick a template, tell the AI a little bit about your business, and it will put together a professional looking website for you in just a few minutes. And if you ever get stuck or confused about anything inside the dashboard, there is a built-in AI assistant you can talk to. You just ask it your question and it helps you figure things out. On top of everything I just mentioned, you also get analytics so you can track how your sites are performing, uptime monitoring so you know if a site ever goes down, and a global CDN which makes your sites load fast for people all around the world. You also get snagging tools so you can test changes before publishing them live. And there is even an AI powered migration tool that can move your existing websites over from another host with barely any downtime at all. Alright, so now let's talk about the pricing. There is the main product, and then there are some optional updates you can add on. None of the upgrades are mandatory. The core product works perfectly fine on its own, but depending on what you want to do with it, some of them are genuinely worth considering. I'll walk you through each one so you know exactly what you are getting. But first, before I get into the prices, I want to quickly mention the coupon codes. Right now, there are two active discount codes. The first one is HOST Max, which gets you 35% off the entire funnel, and the second one is HOST 5 off, which takes $5 off. Both of these are in the description below, so make sure you use one of them before you buy. So the main product, the front end, is just a one-time payment of $17. For that, you get everything I showed you in the dashboard walkthrough. The unlimited website hosting, unlimited domains, the AI speed engine, the security system, daily backups, free SSL certificates, the email accounts, the one-click app installer, the AI assistant, all of it. $17 one time, no monthly fees ever. Honestly, when you think about how much most hosting companies charge every single month, this is a pretty crazy deal. Now the first upgrade is called the Unlimited Edition. This one takes everything up a notch. You get more advanced AI speed optimization, enhanced security, priority server resources, and it also includes commercial and agency rights, which means you can start hosting websites for your clients and charge them for it. All future updates are included too. If you're planning to use these for client work or you just want the absolute best performance, this is a very solid add-on. The second upgrade is the Done For You edition. This one is perfect if you don't want to build websites from scratch. You get over 50 professionally designed websites that are already built and ready to go, complete with search copy, landing pages, and funnels all done for you. You can launch any of them with one click, and since commercial rights are included, you can also sell or rent these sites to clients and keep the money. The third upgrade is the AI Cloud Pro. Think of this like having your own private version of Google Drive or Dropbox, except you own it completely and there are no monthly fees. You can store unlimited files, host videos, stream media, and share secure download links. Really useful if you're dealing with large files, client projects, or you just want a place to store all your backups without paying another subscription. The fifth upgrade is the AI Website Builder Pro. This supercharges the built-in website builder. You literally just type in a keyword or a niche and the AI puts together a full website for you with pages, written content, images, layout, headlines, even a sales funnel. When it's ready, you just hit publish and it goes straight to your hosting account. The fifth upgrade is called AI Traffic Ranker, and this one is all about getting free traffic from Google. The AI figures out the best keywords for your site, optimizes your content, tracks where you are ranking every day, and keeps working to push your site higher in the search results. It also handles things like meta tags and the other SEO technical stuff automatically. If you want to grow your traffic without running paid ads, this is definitely worth a look. The sixth upgrade is the AI Agent. This one gives you your own AI powered assistant that basically acts like a virtual team member working around the clock. It can handle your customer support, run live chat on your website, capture leads, follow up with people by email, and take care of repetitive day to day tasks. You can even train it on new products and how you communicate so it sounds just like you. Great for saving time and automating a lot of the customer facing side of your business. The seventh upgrade is the Enterprise Edition. This is a full reseller license where you can create hosting accounts for unlimited clients, put your own branding on the platform, set whatever prices you want, and keep every dollar you make. Essentially, you can run your very own hosting business using AI hosting as the engine behind it. The eighth upgrade is the Agency Edition. This one is more about building a full digital agency. You get done for you business materials like proposals, contracts, pricing sheets, and onboarding templates, and you can offer all kinds of services to clients like websites, hosting, SEO, AI chatbots, and more, all under your own brand. The ninth upgrade is the Reseller Edition. This lets you actually sell AI hosting products as if they were your own. You are not just using the software, you are selling it to other people and keeping 100% of the money. You get unlimited reseller rights and all the marketing materials are already made for you. And the 10th upgrade is the White Label Edition, which is the top tier option. This lets you completely rebrand the entire platform with your own logo, your own company name, and your own colors. So when your clients log in, they see your brand, not AI hosting. You come across as the software owner and you can charge premium prices because to your customers, it looks like your own unique product. Okay, so here is what I genuinely think about AI hosting. For the price, this is honestly really good. If you are someone who is currently paying $10, $20, $30 or more every single month just for hosting, and you have got multiple websites or you are planning to build more, then paying once and getting lifetime access to unlimited hosting just makes complete sense. The math speaks for itself. And what really sets this apart from other cheap hosting options out there is the AI side of things. Most budget hosting platforms just give you server space and leave you to figure everything out on your own. AI hosting is actually doing things automatically in the background, like optimizing your speed, protecting your sites, managing your resources without you having to lift a finger. That's a big difference. The dashboard is easy to use, the security is solid, and honestly, the automatic daily backup feature alone gives you so much peace of mind, knowing that your site is saved every single day and you can restore it in one click. That's something a lot of expensive hosts don't even offer. Now, when it comes to the upgrades, you don't need any of them to get started. But if I had to pick the ones that make the most sense for most people, I would say the Unlimited Edition is worth it if you're doing any kind of client work. The AI Traffic Ranker is great if your main goal is getting free traffic from Google. If you want to actually build a hosting business around this, then the Enterprise or White Label editions are the ones to look at. The Done For You edition is also really handy if you just want to skip all the buildings and get sites live as fast as possible. Alright, now let's talk about the bonuses, because on top of everything AI hosting already gives you, when you grab it through my link down in the description, you are also going to get 21 exclusive bonuses from me personally. These are bonuses you won't find anywhere else. They are not the usual generic stuff that everyone throws together. I have put them all together specifically to help you get the most out of this. I have listed out every single bonus on my bonus page so you can see exactly what you are getting before you even make a decision. The link to that page is right below this video in the description. So take a look at it first, see what's included, and then come back and grab AI hosting through my link so you can claim everything. Alright, that's pretty much everything you need to know about AI hosting. I hope this review helped you make up your mind. If it did, do me a quick favor and hit the thumbs up button on this video. It really does help the channel a lot more than you would think. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss the next review I put out. The link to grab AI hosting is sitting right there in the description below. And remember to use one of the coupon codes before you check out. My bonus page link is also in the description right next to the main link. So go grab those 21 bonuses. Alright, thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.